Hi everyone, I am Abigail and welcome to my channel where I help you create unique pieces for your wardrobe. Today we'll be creating this tiered dress. This dress complements a lot of body types and is an easy to make dress having a series of overlapping layers. So in this video, I'll help you create your own tiered dress. Let's get into the making. You will require a fabric of your choice. Here I'm using a cotton rayon fabric scissors, measuring tape, few pearl pins, tailor's chalk and thread. We will start with the borders. Take your fabric and fold it into half with the right side facing each other. Evenly pin the fabric. Draw a line on the top edge to avoid any uneven edges. Mark the half of your shoulder measurement. My full shoulder measurement is 14 inches and I have marked 7 inches. From this point, draw a vertical line downwards, marking the half of your armhole measurement. Draw two horizontal lines at a distance of 1 inch for the upper bust and the bust line. Mark 1/4 of your chest measurement and add 0.5 inches for seam allowance. Mark 1 inch from this point to create the armhole curve. From the shoulder line, mark 0.5 inches downwards for the shoulder slope and mark the midpoint of the armhole line. Connect these points using a French curve and the back armhole curve is ready. Mark your neck width and the length to create your desired neck pattern. Draw the shoulder slope. From the midpoint of the armhole length, mark half an inch inwards to create the front armhole curve. Join these points from the shoulder slope to the point which we have just marked and draw a curved line till the end point. Your front armhole is ready. Mark your waist length from the shoulder and draw a horizontal line. Mark 1/4 of your broad waist measurement with half an inch for seam allowance. Join the points of your chest and waist measurement. Your front bodice is ready. Use this as a guide to cut your back bodice. Once you have these pieces ready, go ahead and cut the neckline and the armhole curve for the front bodice. Now we will create the layers. For the first layer, take a rectangular piece of length 10 inches and for the width, I have taken an additional 8 inches from my actual waist measurement. To add more gathers to your waist, you can go ahead and add additional 5 to 6 inches. Cut two pieces for your front and back panel. For the second layer, add 8 inches more to the first layer for the width and for the length, take 12 inches. You can adjust it as per the length of your dress. Cut two pieces of each measurement and you should have a total of 4 rectangular pieces. Now you have the front and the back borders and the two pieces of each layer ready. To connect the shoulders, place the borders right side facing each other and pin. Sew and overlock the edges. Before we attach the layers to the borders, we will be creating the gathers on the first and the second layer of the dress. Change the stitch length of your sewing machine to the longest setting and sew along the top edge of the layer. With the help of one thread, start gathering the layer till it matches the waistline of the borders. Spread the gathers evenly and pin the first layer of the borders. Repeat the same on the back borders. Attach the second layer to the first layer, spreading the gathers evenly. Now let's attach the front and the back parts of the dress. Make sure that you attach the seams of the dress of the front and the back panels in line for a neat look. Sew and overlock the edges. You can use a serger or a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. This will give a more finished look. Complete the front and the back neckline using a bias tape. Once you've attached the bias tape, iron the neckline and top stitch it to keep the neckline in place. For the sleeve, take the basic sleeve pattern and mark the points at a distance of 1 inch. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom of the sleeve pattern at a distance of half an inch. Now draw vertical lines from the point till the horizontal line and cut them. Place the sleeve pattern on the tracing paper and spread the sleeve as desired. Trace the new sleeve pattern. Now you can shorten the pattern as per your preference. Cut the sleeve and mention the front and back of the sleeve pattern on the paper for your future reference. Place it on the fabric and cut the sleeve pattern. Now create the gathers following the same steps that we used to create the panels. Change the stitch length to the longest stitch and stitch along the top edge of the sleeve. With the help of one end of the thread, start gathering the sleeves till it matches the armhole length of the bodice and spread the gathers evenly. Attach the sleeve to the bodice and overlock the seams. Check the length of the dress once again, and if you are happy with the length, go ahead and fold the end seam of the dress up to 1 inch and sew it along the edges. Your tiered dress is now ready. Do try out this dress pattern and let me know if you all have liked the video and if there is any other tutorial you all would want me to create for you all. Thank you.